Can we zoom?
I think so.
Oh, that doesn't work.
Ew.
Where does the zoom button?
You can't even see us.
Yeah, you can.
We're way in the back.
Where's the zoom?
Are you kidding?
Do you have a stomach?
Yeah. I think it's this one.
No, it's not.
Yeah,
I tried it.
Oh, okay.
You so dumb.
You can't zoom then.
Why?
I don't know.
I told you I'm hungry.
Let's go eat. Adventure downstairs.
Okay, ready. Let's go.
Let's go. Da-da, da-da,
God, lead us.
With my tail.
This is like a movie. Bob, you're going too fast. Slow down. It's dark. The dog is right there.
Oh my God. Scared the bejeebies out of me.
Yeah. Let's have Cocoa Pebbles again. And this is the pantry. We eat food from here.
This one will come to it's okay? We have another one.
Oh my gosh.
Don't scare me like that.
Pretty much. But oh my God. I call soccer ball one.
I've got two.
Wait, will this fall on some? Let's put it right here. Pretty. I don't know if you're in it. Yeah, but I don't know if you're in it or not.